right now. You guys are looking great out there, but make sure, water. Water is probably your best friend. Don't go home today and drink iced tea, Coke, things like that. Try to stay away from that stuff, okay? Because then you're going to cramp up, okay? All right? You want to stay with the water, stay hydrated. Cramping is part of the game. We'll see that a lot. I mean, we see that on our high school kids. I mean, you'll see it when the first couple of weeks of the season. They're on the sidelines with the trainers all the time. I mean, you guys don't have trainers, but you got great coaches here. You got the high school guys helping out. They know. They cramp a lot. I mean, my schools, we cramp all the time. But that's because nobody's taken in enough water before. The other thing is, you want to try to stay away from those real salty foods as well. Okay, guys? Like French fries, potato chips, things like that. Okay? That's the key too, because if you take that stuff in, then the water isn't going to get absorbed as much. Okay? All right? All right. But other than that, everybody looks good out there. Wish you the best. We'll be here for you during the season, for anything you need, okay? All right? So, good luck to everybody, and thanks for giving me the time to speak with the guys. And, good luck.